What if I told you there was a car so bizarre, so dangerously unbalanced, it looked like it was missing a wheel, but wasn't? A vehicle born from war, intended to carry machine guns, but ended up terrifying civilians instead. This isn't science fiction. It's the real story of the 1921 Scott Sociable. A three-wheeled oddity that defied logic, safety and design. And yet, it was built anyway. Before we dive into this mechanical mystery, smash that subscribe button like you're trying to stop this car going downhill, because once it starts, there's no reverse gear to save you. The Scott Sociable wasn't originally meant for Sunday drives. It was designed for war. During World War I, Alfred Angus Scott, founder of the Scott Motorcycle Company, created a three-wheeled vehicle intended to carry machine guns into battle. The design featured a triangulated tubular steel frame and a unique wheel configuration, two wheels in line and a third set alongside but slightly behind the other rear wheel. However, the military found it too unconventional and the project was shelved. But this rejection led to something even more peculiar, a civilian version that would baffle drivers for years to come. Imagine, if you will, a vehicle that looks a bit like a car missing a wheel. The Scott Sociable's asymmetrical design featured one front wheel offset to the right and two rear wheels that weren't even aligned with each other. This unusual layout, inherited from its sidecar origins, resulted in a driving experience that was, honestly, anything but stable. The body itself was constructed from moulded fiberboard, reinforced with ash laths, and all of it was mounted on a triangulated steel frame. But, you know, the quirks didn't stop at its appearance. The mechanical aspects were equally unconventional. Under the hood, the Sociable housed a 578 cubic centimetre, water-cooled, twin-cylinder two-stroke engine producing around 5 horsepower at 1,000 revolutions per minute. Power was transmitted through a 3-speed gearbox to the offside rear wheel via a shaft. Notably, there was no reverse gear, making parking a challenge. The braking system was equally unconventional, with two rear brakes operated individually, one by hand and the other by foot. These design choices made driving the Sociable a test of courage and skill. Launched in 1921, the Scott Sociable was priced at £273, dropping to £135 by 1924 in an attempt to boost sales. Despite these efforts, only about 200 units were produced before the company ceased operations in 1925. The vehicle's unconventional design and challenging driving dynamics failed to win over the public. Yet the Sociable's story doesn't end there. It serves as a fascinating case study in automotive history. Today, the Scott Sociable is remembered as one of the most unusual vehicles ever made. Its asymmetrical design and wartime origins make it a unique artifact in automotive history. While it never achieved commercial success, the Sociable stands as a testament to innovative, if impractical, engineering. And its story offers valuable lessons for modern vehicle design and the importance of balancing innovation with practicality. The 1921 Scott Sociable remains a captivating example of how ambition and innovation can lead to extraordinary, if flawed, creations. Its story serves as a reminder that pushing the boundaries of design can result in both remarkable and cautionary tales.